Pag-aralan ng wasto, panatiling sariwang hangin.
Naghahanap ka ba ng training institution for pollution control officer and managing head training? Saan mo makikita ang listahan ng mga accredited training institution? Siyempre, pagka usapang recognition ng mga training institution, ito ay sa Environmental Management Bureau na jurisdiction under DENR. So if you want to look for an accredited training institution, better to visit the website of EMB. So emb.gov.ph. So kapag nakarating ka dyan sa kanilang official website ng Environmental Management Bureau, dyan mo makikita yung environmental statistics. Itong nakikita nyo on the screen. So just click the environmental statistics button. Click mo lang yan and magpipresent sa iyo syempre ng mga data. So usually makikita mo dito sa environmental statistics itong iba't ibang data, and then among many we have the pollution control officers training, organizations or institution. So meron kang data and then meron kang PCO training, organization, or institutions. So just click on the button, click mo lang yung pollution control officers training, organization, or institution, then makikita mo na ang database ng mga accredited training institution. So, ang tawag natin dyan, accredited training institution or organization. At dyan ka pwede magkaroon ng contact. Pwede mo silang kontakin kung kailan ang kanilang schedule. At makukuha mo syempre yung kanilang information, ng contact information dyan din mismo sa database na yan. So, ganon. If you are looking for the training organization or institution, just visit emb.gov.ph. Importante na dyan ka mismo mag-inquire or mag-visit dahil sila ang may jurisdiction sa recognition ng mga training institution or organization. And then, as mentioned earlier, at kailangan mong puntahan yung environmental statistics. So, the environmental statistics, yan yung i-click mo para mabuksan yung database ng PCO training organization or institution. So, just click on it. At once na maklik mo yung database nila, pwede ka na ngayon mag-select kung saan kang institution, organization a-attend ng PCO and managing head training. Siyempre, based on your location, si preference mo sa kung magkano ang training fee. So, so anywhere, kung kahit saan ka na region, pwede kang mag-attend ng training kahit saan na region. Let's say if you are in region 4A tapos gusto mo umattend sa NCR, pwede yon. Basta accredited ng DENR Environmental Management Bureau. So simple lang ang paghahanap ng training organization or institution para sa ating requirement. Sabi kasi dito sa DAO 2016 or DAO 2014-02 entitled Revised Guidelines for Pollution Control Officer Accreditation, especially in Section 6. Ano ba ang sabi dito sa Section 6? qualification requirements for PCOs. And then the basic qualification, item number 1, Filipino citizen, full-time employee, and yung letter C, has completed the basic PCO training course by an EMB recognized training organization or institution within the last 3 years. So para maging qualified PCO, dapat nakakomplete ka ng basic PCO training course in an EMB recognized organization or institution. So tinuro na natin kung saan kayo makakita ng mga recognized training institution at yung certificate of training na bibigay sa atin magagamit for the purpose of showing our qualification as pollution control officer and the purpose of PCO accreditation. At by the way, dito sa section 8 ng DAO 2014-02 tumutukoy sa accreditation of PCO, hinihingi talaga ang proof of qualification. Ito nga ang Certificate of Training of Basic PCO Training. At syempre, may sinasabi din dito, for the managing head of establishments, 8 hours training on environmental management, covering the basic environmental laws, rules and regulations, and the duties and responsibilities of the PCO. So yung ating mga managing head, kailangan din umattend ng training, 1 day or 8-hour training ang ibig sabihin sa isang accredited training organization or institution. So if you are looking for a training institution, the website of EMB, the emb.gov.ph, ang pwede nyong puntahan para sa mga listahan. If you will be looking for PCO training, upcoming PCO training, you can contact 0998-543-5466, 0998-543-5466, the upcoming training of JP Environment Consultancy Services, an accredited training organization or institution. JP Environment Consultancy Services, we train, we care. So just look for the schedule na malapit sa preference ninyo. If you have question on the identifying the accredited training institution, list of accredited training institution, just type it below and mapag-usapan natin yung paano, saan titingnan yung mga listahan na ito. I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you very much for time listening. JP Environment Consultancy Services, we train, we care.